Hello friends, this is Alex of Basement Finish Pros, and today we're going to check out a basement we started about a week and a half ago. It's located in Cheshire, Connecticut. It's a pretty large basement, has 2 bedrooms, 1 office, 3/4 bathroom, sink, toilet and shower, gym area, open living area, finished staircase. So we're gonna go check it out. The framing is already in place. We have the rough framing, we have rough plumbing, rough electrical, and we are waiting for building department to schedule the initial inspections. So yeah, let's check it out. So here we are in the basement right now. We are using galvanized metal studs. On the right hand side here we have the boiler. Basically that would stay unfinished. It's going to be cleaned up. About 6-foot door, so when it opens you have easy access to it. Right there is the hallway that goes to the bathroom, and then this is the door that goes into one of the bedrooms. And right here we have the door that goes outside, the bulkhead exit and the oil tank behind. Alright, so we're going into the first bedroom right now. There will be an egress window right there, so we have to do the cutout once it gets a little warmer, because we have to dig. This will be a 6-foot door or 6-foot opening to get from one bedroom into another. The kids will be sleeping here. So the wiring is not done yet. Electrician has to stop by and staple a bunch of wiring and get it ready for the rough inspection, so he probably has like a couple hours of work. There will be another egress window in the second bedroom, and this is a small closet for the water treatment. So here will be an egress window. Now we're gonna go in the bathroom. So this is a 3/4 bathroom. It's got sink, toilet and shower. Here's the sink. We already made the cuts. I plumbed everything underground. The sink will be over here. Toilet goes right there. There's the shower. So it's going to be a custom tiled shower, custom shower base, walls tiled, everything. This is the sewer ejector pump right here that goes into the ground, and then it discharges into the sewer lines. Now we're going back into the gym area, and we're going to go into the open living area. So here's the open living area. We have a sump pump over there to take care of the water if there's any water issues. It is discharging the sump pump, and the sump pump takes care of the hydrostatic pressure. We're gonna go into the office room right now. We also have double door 6-foot openings. The office also has a egress window. Like I mentioned before, we have to do the cutouts, so we're gonna do those when it gets a little warmer because the ground is frozen, but everything is basically framed. This is the open living area. It's pretty big. Framing is done nicely. The guys work very fast. You can see the TV HDMIs and boxes on the wall. At this side of the wall there would be a door for the utility closet and the sewer ejector pump. Again, this is the sewer ejection pump. The staircase coming down is going to be wood finish. Pretty big basement. The posts are going to be wrapped with special column wraps. Actually, this basement is going to have custom post wraps made out of wood finish. There's going to be some nice work there, so we'll show you that at the end.